Alright, hello people. There's a new development in regards to the Serato issue with the MC7000. Apparently I got an email today with a new update. So there's the official listing of what they've said that they've done. Yeah. So they've added in a couple more controllers, stems, and everything else. But if you look at the full release notes, if I go over here, they've added in good old MC7000 for the replace pad mode. So I've just loaded it, loaded the software on. So I'm going to give it a try and see if it works. So here we go. Alright, let's go into here. Let's see. Oh, here we go. The replace pad mode with stems. Right. Yep, loop roll is the one I usually would go for. So that's cool. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Let's find a nice, good track. Alright. Let's go for another one. See. Gotta just try and find a track that's not going to give me problems. I don't know. Let's see. Alright. Oh, let's try that one. Alright, so there we go. Right now, because I'm going to do the loop roll. Let's see if that's it. See if that makes any difference. Oh, I think we've got it. Alright. Obviously, I'm not going to put I'm not going to play the music, but I can tell by the waveform it's working as expected. Alright, and I will update my comments just to confirm it is working. It's just that I don't need a copyright strike from YouTube, just because I'm spreading the good news. Alright, and no, I'm not a Jehovah's Witness either. Anyway, thank you everyone. I'll speak to you later. And also, thank you, Serato and Denon DJ, for paying attention to the forums and listening to everyone's complaints. Alright, but thank you very much.